parking space selection and stationary operation. Choose a suitable area as a parking space that is as flat as possible, and, if possible, have someone marshal you in. You can equalize somewhat uneven ground and inclined surfaces with chocks. After that, put on the parking brake, put into gear and, if applicable, crank down the support stance. They ensure a firm stance, but must never be used to adjust the vehicle. With the onboard cable drum, you can connect the 230-volt grid at the parking space to provide your vehicle with power. Open the gas bottle to secure the gas supply in the mobile home. At the parking space, the refrigerator can be operated with electricity from the 230-volt grid or with gas. To do that, turn the switch to the appropriate setting.